Hey, good evening, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike from Teach Talk Trade. And this is Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Let's take a look at where we are. We worked between the 0 and 23.6 retracement level. Let me blow this up for you today. We were rejected off the T8 and right below the 23.6 level, as you can see. We're down below the 20 period EMA, and here's the 50 period EMA. I drew in some red trend lines here. As you can see, we're in this little triangle, so watch for breakouts above or below. We seem to be holding this line, but hopefully we can break above, and we'll have to hold on this trend line. And after a few days, we can put in a new Ganfan to see where we're traveling along the Ganfan lines. We kind of put in a little bullish engulfing candle, not the best, but bullish engulfing of yesterday, which is a positive sign. For looking further. Okay, let's go and see some of our favorite little indicators for the chart. Let's first look at the support and resistance on the shorter term. We have a downside support level of 81.84, and that was broken 3 days ago. It's a bearish sign, but we'll see if we can close above that in the next couple days to turn from bearish to bullish. Now let's look at the trend line analysis on the shorter term. There is a trend line that was broken on the short term, 84.73, and that was broken 15 days ago, which is bearish. So at this point in time, we're still in a bearish mode. We just had a little retracement today, back up. So continue to watch this 8,000 to 9,000 basically as a little trading range until we can break out either side of that. Let's look at the MACD. The MACD is bearish at this point in time as it's trading below its signal line. And so far the Dow Jones has decreased 4.76% since it was triggered, and that was triggered 15 periods ago. All right, now let's go look at, we'll do our Chande chart checkup. First, prices are in a downward bias at this point, and the upper bound is 87.27, and the projected lower bound is 74.17. So kind of stuck right in the middle where we are right now, but those are the two bounds to be looking for, to make notes of, and that's again based on the Chande chart checkup. Okay, right now we'll take a look at the Rex Takasugi profile of the Dow. The Dow closed up today 135 points, and volume was 18% below average, and the Bollinger Bands were 30% narrower than normal. So we're getting into a Bollinger Band squeeze. The technical outlook for the above is short term is basically neutral, which means sideward action. Intermediate term and long term are bearish based on what we're seeing right here. And right now the Dow is currently 23% below its 200 period moving average, which is up here on the green line. So that's where we're at for today for our chart checkup. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening or morning, and we'll be back with you tomorrow night for our chart checkup.